measurement is only going to be a slice of this solution because that's always after the fact, right? And one of the things that I know Chris is pushing, we will be pushing as well, is how do you do it before the fact? How do you provide it as outcome-based and guarantees so that the performance-based CTV is where I think this is all going? Because frankly, you want to shift dollars from linear or bring it or a new category, make it performance-based and make it independently measured by a third party.
You're hitting all the tingly words there, Serge. I mean, you're talking about outcomes, your guarantees. I mean, this is the future though, of what I think, Serge, what gets me most excited when we talk about the future with LG. And, you know, Matt, back to your example of the really crappy targeted ad for, you know, menopause, right? I think that in itself, if you have to put a label and a price tag on how big of a problem that is, that's a $5 billion problem that's waiting to be solved, right? And like that to us, and Dave, you hit on the point of measurability being the kind of the first step of like, how do you prove that this new channel, this new medium, CTV, works? That's exactly where, you know, Serge and I have been spending a lot of time thinking about how do we take all the best data that LG has, all the best data that Deep Intent has, marry it together, both basically the marriage of health data and media data, bring that together and make a compelling case, A, on measurement, but then thinking back, Serge, to your point, how do we actually get it more for planning, right? Get it back into the planning process so that we can do maybe something like talking about transforming the upfront to more of a guarantee type buy. You want 1,000 COPD, or let's say 1 million COPD patients, we'll find those and then we can guarantee performance and reach against those audiences and possibly even outcomes, like meaning script performance, right? And script lift. So that's to me is the future of where this is all going. And you can only do it through kind of the triangle here, where you have the data, you have the media, and then obviously the advertiser on board with that idea.